Hello, everyone. Kevin A. Creedon, the man behind King Size Customs, and today we're coming at you with an unboxing. And before that, you guys probably noticed the t-shirt. Yes, it's a Walmart special. I loved that show as a kid. I try to catch reruns of it every once in a while, especially on, Teen Nick? They do the 90s or all that, or something like that. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. Oh, pardon the watch. Yeah. This video is about a package I purchased from the Auto World store. Now, I kinda was going back and forth in my head about, do I try to buy just the cars that I want out of this case, or do I buy the whole case? And it seemed like nobody except Auto World store had them. And, well, I figure, why not go to the source? Why not go to the horse's mouth? I would say the other one, but this is a family-friendly channel, supposedly. Anyway, so I thought, go to the Auto World store, purchase from them, and see what's going on with them. Why their price is what their price is. Alrighty. It's probably a packing list. Yes, that is. Has all my information on it. Blah, 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 blah. And thank you for shopping with us to the Auto World store. D-Ridge at round2corp.com, autoworldstore.com. And, well, their box is packed pretty nicely. Got some brown paper and a inside sealed case. So, case pack, 6 pieces, part and dimensions, blah, blah, blah. Use caution when opening the box to avoid damage. Yeah, I'm cautious as whatever, as all get out. Anyway. I mean, it looks like they really used caution when packing this box. It's all beat to stuff. Anyway. So, see what we have here. We have the square body truck. It is the Silverado, what year? 1982 Chevrolet Silverado fleet side in black. Pretty sure you guys can see that. Decent looking truck. Not really a big fan of when they started doing this, but they're starting to grow on me. I mean, it's still a square body. Everybody loves square bodies, don't they? What's this? This was one that I really was wanting. The square body I was debating on whether or not to get. But this is the 1975, or 76 actually, Cadillac El Dorado in a nice Jennifer blue. That's my sister's name, Jennifer, not Blue. Yeah, I mean, anyway. So, that's the Cadillac that I did want. Square body I was debating, but I don't know, I think I'll hold on to it. I like it. New casting here. We have the Nova station wagon. That's the 63 Chevrolet 2 Nova wagon. And that is in the nice aqua azure aqua poly. Pretty good looking car. Pretty nice color. Pretty nice wagon. This one I was kind of like, take it or leave it, because I have the Hellcats. But you can never have enough Dodge Challengers in your life. This is a 2018 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon in that yellow bumblebee color with the black roof, black hood, and black trunk. But it's the Demon! what do we have here? A car that I see plenty of. It's the 2019 Chevrolet Camaro Zl1, 1LE. I guess the 1LE stands for lacking emotion. The taillights are pretty cool. I saw a guy who had one of these where his taillights were arrows, so. And then, last but not least, and I really did want this one, the black one's cool, but you guys know what's coming. This is the white one. I have the green light black version, which I haven't cracked it open, but I saw Champion DJK did a review of and a comparison of, and honestly, it's Auto World. You're always getting a premium product here. It is the Corvette C8. It's the 2020 C8 Corvette in Arctic White. I think that's a good looking car, great looking casting. I will crack it open, get a look underneath the opening hood, see how great the engine detail is. Because from what I remember of my green light car, which is buried away, stashed away in a storage tub, it was okay. The detail was meh. I mean, the cool thing about the green light is it's the convertible Stingray version, so you can take the top off the green light version. So that's the case. I don't know why it was a little bit more than everybody else, but I want to see the company flourish. I want to see Round 2 stay around. You know, I do like their other product lines. I love the Johnny Lightning line. I love the Racing Champions Mint. Auto World you can never go wrong with because they're premium cars. Even if it's a car you don't like, I'm sure you guys have seen in earlier videos that I wasn't too big into Mustangs, but Auto World takes a car that you really may not like and makes a really good 1/64 scale, true to scale casting. So, that's everything, guys. Thanks for watching. I plan to have more videos. I'm still doing customs. You'll probably see me do the 3 Blind Mice van challenge. So, anyway, guys, I'll see you later. Have a good one.